after all that smoke. Robert throwing down some great smoke in that Serial 9 Cressida. Check that car out. It's actually a pretty cool car. A lot different from the normal 240SX you see out there. Also a very different approach than what's becoming the normal S13 or the LS1. If you want to see the cookie cutter way to do that, check out Stuart Lust's car. Power Fab Automotive, Stuart Lust. Ladies and gentlemen, up in the booth right now, we've got Fielding Shredder. Most amazing part, it's not actually a booth, it's just an easy up. It's actually broken on the backside. If you come up here, do not lean on it, it will break. Ladies, you're going to have the treat of hearing Fielding Shredder commentate on what's going on up here. Has a beautifully trimmed goatee. He's going to tell you every little aspect of what's going on out here today. Unfortunately, he couldn't bring his LS1 show off his driving skills, but I'll tell you what, he's got some commenting skills, and here he is to show them off. Fielding Shredder, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. Give it up for Mike Speed. I think he was once a pro of something. Probably wasn't any form of driving, but he got up. He's not as lazy as he says. Not as lazy. Getting the stretch, he's probably going right back down. Snap-on belt. He's sponsored by Snap-on, but it's actually using Velcro. Is that Snap-on Velcro? It should be a buckle. Taking his seat. What? Bye. No, wait. Where's your truck? Again, if anybody wants to ride with any drivers today, feel free to walk up to the driver and ask. You must have a helmet. The worst that can happen is they say no. Unless they ask for money. They say it's only $10. I mean, really. Speaking of that, if we can give 384 deep in the M5 up here, we can do a ride along, $10 a head. Step right up and get it right along and have a look so far. Also, if you are a female wearing a swimsuit, we have 2 baby pools up here where you'll be happy to come and splash in. Or you can ride the M5 for free. Free. Mike Speed is upset. Someone commandeered his cooler. I think they took like a water maybe. I believe we have a culprit. Also, keep in mind we are all collecting footage for the Keep Drifting Fun DVD. If you have some film footage that you'd like to submit, try and promote drifting in Texas. Make it on a Hollywood production level DVD. It'll probably be in a store like Best Buy. This would be awesome.
Paging Derek Rogers. Paging Derek Rogers. Please come to Mike Peters' Field area. Thank you.
I see no females have stepped up to the pool. Also promoting gassing equipment by yours truly. You need a GIMP-ass rig set up. I hear it is.